Looking for the best camera for YouTube for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 camera for YouTube that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a camera for YouTube that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended camera for YouTube. Number 1 on the list is Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. A lot of YouTubers highly rate the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III, and if you use one for yourself, you'll understand why. It's not the most exceptional camera in any category really, but it's a superb jack of all trades, doing everything that YouTubers need it to do, all in a tiny body that you can basically take anything. This little camera is capable of capturing 4K UHD video at 30p, and while there is a recording time limit of 10 minutes in this mode, it's still hugely useful and looks fantastic. HD video is available at up to 120 FPS, allowing you to create slow motion effects, and this Mark III version of the camera adds in a 3.5mm mic jack, which makes a real difference in terms of audio quality. This is a compact camera, meaning the 24 to 100mm f1.8 to 2.8 lens cannot be changed. However, this zoom range is going to be fine for most YouTube use, and the maximum aperture of f1.8 is generous enough to make the G7X Mark III pretty nifty in low light. Another real plus for the G7X Mark III as far as YouTubers are concerned is the fact that it can live stream broadcasting footage with a clean HDMI out. This adds another string to the camera's bow, making it a real one-camera-fits-all as far as YouTubers are concerned. There are cameras out there with more advanced video specs, but the majority of content creators won't need them. This is an ideal choice for the majority of purposes. Second on the list is Sony A6000. Although this line of Sony cameras has grown massively as of late, the original Sony A6000 still proves to be one of the most popular models. Newer YouTubers that are yet to bring enough revenue to pay for fancy kit will rejoice at the lower cost of this camera. But it should be noted that there's a limit of full HD quality video, number 4K, unfortunately, so bear that in mind if it's a deal breaker. Otherwise, the camera has rock-solid foundations in the shape of a large 24MP APS-C sensor and a capable image processor with a 179-point autofocus system. Choose to pair the camera with one of Sony's Z-mount lenses for enhanced shooting flexibility and great image quality. This camera serves as a reminder that you don't always need the newest flashiest device to produce quality video for YouTube. Sometimes there's better value in older models. Number 3 on the list is Canon EOS R5. If you've got budget to spare and are looking at the high end of camera tech, then we'd recommend considering the Canon EOS R5. It's a hybrid camera designed for both stills and video shooters, but its video features are some of the best in class. The headline spec is 8K at 30p, which is more than you need for YouTube, but this also gives you the option to crop in and get excellent 4K footage or shoot in 4K natively and enjoy some of the best looking video you can get. You can even dial 4K up to a frame rate of 120 FPS if you want. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS2 autofocus is one of the best systems in the business, and it works fantastically for video as well as stills. Video also benefits from in-body image stabilization, making it a simpler task to capture smooth footage while using the camera handheld. The burgeoning selection of RF lenses is also fantastic, with some of the sharpest optics around, and if you already have FDSLR lenses, then the F2RF adapter lets you use them on the R5 with full functionality. It's not a perfect camera, it gained something of a reputation on release for its recording limits in high resolutions due to an overheating issue. It's not a crippling issue, just something to be aware of. As we made plain in our full review, this is still one of the most advanced and best cameras you can buy right now, full stop, and it's one of the most versatile buys that YouTubers can make. Number 4 on the list is Sony ZV-1. Sony's compact and mirrorless cameras in the past tended to be primarily still shooters, with video added on as an extra, but the Sony ZV-1 has turned things on its head. The ZV-1 has been built for vloggers specifically, and as such it comes with a slew of helpful video features straight out of the box. One useful feature for YouTube video production is an onboard directional microphone, which eliminates the need to purchase an additional mic for most users, especially if recording indoors. Since the ZV-1 is one of Sony's newer compact cameras, you can expect some upgraded hardware. Best-in-class autofocusing makes this a useful camera to have if you're out and about. It's also accessible for new users with an integrated automated shooting mode to take the pressure off the technical aspects of capturing video. Number 5 on the list is GoPro Hero 10 Black. Throw it in a lake, drop it off a mountain, or bounce it along on a mountain bike. If you need extreme durability, then GoPro is the brand for you. If you plan on capturing sports for your YouTube channel, no matter how extreme, then the small and robust GoPro Hero 10 Black is for you. Live streaming is becoming ever popular on the world's biggest video site, and the Hero 10 Black can do that too. This new version is updated to compete with rivals like the DJI Osmo Action by including a useful front screen to make selfie vlogging easier, and it has class-leading Hyper-Smooth 4.0 image stabilization, which can capture smooth, steady footage when being thrown around in extreme conditions. The Hero 10 Black now captures even more detail thanks to the 5.3K video resolution, 91% more than 4K, which it records at an incredible 60 FPS. There's also a new video feature of 4K at 120 FPS for those who like to capture footage for slow motion. Extreme shooters that need a camera that can keep up with them should opt for the Hero 10 Black if they want smooth video and reliable results. Just now is a list of 5 best camera for YouTube that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.